are thrifting. Welcome to our first Thrift With Me vlog. We did a little road trip. How far?
Like an hour north.
An hour north to go to some value villages and some Goodwills. And of course we have our masks.
Oh, hey, we're both wearing the green.
I know, I love it. So come along with us. We'll show you what we get.
Yeah.
All right. All right, we are at destination number 2. We're at a Goodwill this time. It's also really hard to film inside of a store right now because of Miss Rona.
Yeah.
But when we get home, we'll do like a try-on video, a try-on haul to show you all the fun things we're getting. So come along, if you will. All right, we are at destination number 3. The Goodwill was only okay.
Yeah.
But we are at another value village, so come along with us. Location number 3. There's so much better. I don't know if you guys can hear us, but there's so much better stuff at this one, so we're so excited.
Okay, hello everybody. We just got back from thrifting. We went to Valley Village and Goodwill, and we're gonna show you all the homeware stuff we got first.
It was so many insane deals, and we're so excited because we have wanted to go thrifting for so long, especially like moving into a new home, and there were some things that we needed and wanted, but the deals we got were insane. So we're gonna show you all the things we got and let you know how much it costs.
Yes.
So this cake stand was $7.99, and we got it at the First Value Village. We got a little candlestick holder, and it was $3.99.
Got a set of 2 plates. They're like blue, they're white, but like with blue speckles.
Blue speckles. And the set of 2 was $2.99.
Yeah.
Okay, we also got this little thing. Not really sure what we're gonna use it for. Maybe like ice cream
or a big cocktail.
A really nice cocktail.
A hearty Manhattan.
Totally. Or we might just like use it as decor.
Yeah.
And this one was $2.99. We also got like a smaller pretty one, and this one was $1.49. We also got this cool white bubbly vase, and it was $1.99.
A planter.
Yeah.
How much was this?
Oh yeah, it was $2.99. We love like the light cream color for our plants. Neither of us are really into the terracotta look for our house. I like it, but just not, it doesn't match our vibe. So love this cream pot.
And then I'm particularly excited about these. I've been wanting a set of glasses like this. There's a shop on Instagram called Verishop. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but they had a set of glasses that looked very similar to this, but I think it was just really expensive. It was gonna be like 50 to 70. I can't remember exactly how much it was gonna cost, and they were sold out of like the clear colorway. They only had like the black colorway, which I just didn't really want. I wanted clear glasses.
Wasn't what we wanted.
But anyways, we found a set of like these little guys and tall guys.
So the set of the 6 tall ones was $7.47, and the set of the short guys was $4.47.
Yeah.
And so far at that First Value Village, we spent $36.37. Which is pretty amazing.
I'm so excited. I'm like
I know, it's like your favorite thing. But yeah, it's funny because these, like at like an Instagram shop or like an Anthropology or something like that, like it would be like $70 for a set.
Yeah.
And we literally spent $7 for 6
I
of
know.
these and $4.47 for 6 of those. So yeah.
I was like ready to shell out some money for glasses like this, so I'm so excited.
Totally.
That
They're
we
like
found these for way cheaper.
the exact texture that you were looking
I
at.
know,
which is
they're
kind of
perfect.
crazy.
Yeah, I manifested that.
So
For sure.
You totally did. So after that Value Village, we went to a Goodwill. The Goodwill was pretty small, so we didn't find that many things. But what we did find was really, really exciting. We found this butter dish that was $4.99. Love the look of like the cut crystal. I've actually been
So loud.
I've actually been looking for a butter dish like this for like 2 years. So that was really exciting. And we got this silver tray that was $1.99. We're gonna put this in the bathroom, like on the back of the toilet for like a candle and room spray, like pretty little things for the bathroom.
Yeah.
And then we got two more candlesticks.
Candlesticks. Did I pick these ones out?
You did, yeah.
Okay. Apparently I picked these out. I love them.
And
They're
they
cool.
were $2.99 each. So we just got those 4 things at the Goodwill that we went to, but that was only $12.96 total. And then we went to a second Value Village, so our third thrift store, second Value Village. And this,
start with these.
yeah, I'll hold some too.
Cool.
We got this set of 4 glasses. Again, so exciting. Will be perfect for cocktails or for our favorite Frankie and Joe's ice cream, especially once we can host again and have like brunches and wine nights and parties.
Mimosas.
Totally. Or like a French 75.
Yeah.
Totally.
Love that.
So those were, the set of 4 was $4.79. So if you may have seen on our latest vlog, we are making our own kombucha, or attempting to, and to like store it. And to store it, we needed containers like this, but didn't want to buy them on like Amazon or something like that. So luckily we found these, and they were each $1.59.
They're the same thing, right?
They are the same thing, pretty much.
No, they are. I don't know why. They look very different to me.
One is like
the glass
is
is
slightly different. Yeah, but yeah, so that's super exciting. So then this is the most exciting thing we found.
Yeah.
It's this iridescent shell bowl. So we'll probably put this like on the coffee table or on our vanity in the bathroom, but it's like,
it's so cool.
it's so cool. I don't know if you can see the iridescence on camera, but we're obsessed with iridescent things. Well, okay, I'm obsessed with iridescent things. But yeah, so that's super exciting.
Oh well. And we bought this little bowl / like basket.
Yeah, totally. Ceramic.
Yeah.
We had like actually wanted a ceramic bowl like this for a while. I feel like you could see them ever on Instagram, like every single ceramic artist right now I feel like is making something like this. But it was only $3.99, which is so crazy. And it's, I don't know, it's cute for like fruit or like little things like that.
Totally.
Yeah. Or avocados.
Yeah, or avocados. Whatever we have at the moment.
Totally.
Ooh. Almost dropped it. And then the last thing we got at this Valley Village is this little silver plate.
Yeah.
Dish.
And it was $2.41.
Yeah, so
we're
cute.
really like into the silver, like antique silver, and I love the little
Yeah.
yeah.
Move a little closer. Can you see it?
little silver grapes. It's so cute.
Maybe I can zoom in on that or something.
Oh, totally. Okay, so at that Value Village, all of that was $17.36. So for just watched our little try-on haul, but our upstairs neighbor started making too much noise, so we had to stop filming.
Yeah, he'll blast like really loud music at random hours of the day, so that was captured on camera and the footage was like unusable. But we wanted to circle back and give you guys a few tips on thrifting.
Yes, and it's clearly a different day, as you can see from our hair and her outfits.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we wanted to give you a few tips on thrifting. So I think one of the first things would be to go with a plan of what you want in mind, so you don't feel overwhelmed while you're there. But definitely like take your time to look at everything. Yeah, so take your time to look at everything, but also kind of have a plan of what you're looking for.
Another tip would be to head to the men's section. There you can find a lot of really good like graphic tees and knits, and I was actually able to find a few pieces of denim that fit me like pretty perfectly. So yes, that was a good find. So the men's section always holds like a few treasures.
Another one would be to definitely check out the jewelry and accessories. You can find a lot of really good, fun, trendy pieces without having to shop fast fashion, and like really cool like vintage jewelry, stuff like that. So even though sometimes at like Goodwill's, for example, sometimes it's in a case, or like at a Value Village, it'll be in a case, but check it out because it's definitely worth it.
Another tip would be to head out of the city that you live in. We live in Seattle, and we've noticed that just like Goodwill and Value Villages, etc., they'll like hike the prices by a few dollars, but if you head out, like it's slightly cheaper, less picked over, and you'll be able to find like some of those good vintage treasures.
Totally. And we always, like if we're going on a trip to a small town, we'll always check, because small town thrift shops are the best.
They're
My
so
hometown in Maine and your grandparents' town in Montana, it's like the best stuff.
Yeah.
Another one would be to like don't sleep on the homewares.
Yeah.
Goodwills, Value Villages, and thrift stores have the best home decor items, as you saw, and everything's so cheap. And also like when you're like furnishing a new apartment or you're moving and you're finding like you have to buy little things like colanders, cups, plates, like there's not many places to affordably get those type of items like sustainably made and not like made in China and like
or from Amazon.
Whatever. Yeah. Like skip Target and Amazon when you're buying home items and check out Goodwill, because like our colander, bowls and stuff like that, we got it at thrift stores. So yeah, definitely check out the homewares. And then there's also a lot of stuff that you can like, upcycle or DIY.
Yeah.
So yeah, home stuff, furniture, stuff like that. Okay, and another tip would be to donate your stuff as well. I feel like the universe can tell, like when you make space in your own closet in your own home, and then if you donate and then you go shopping, you'll find more, like the universe will give you more abundance. And then it's also a great way to give back to your community too. Instead of having things end up in a landfill, donate them so they can get a second life.
Exactly.
Yeah. So those are our best thrifting tips. We'll definitely share more in future vlogs, but definitely let us know in the comments what your thrifting tips are.
Yeah, and let us know your favorite thing you've ever found thrifting.
Ooh,
that would be fun. Yeah. As always, like, comment, subscribe.
Only nice comments.
Only positive comments. Follow us on Instagram for more updates on when we will be posting. I want to become more regular. Ideally, we'll be putting out a video a week. So yeah, I just need to get caught up on editing.
Cool.
So
thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Bye.